show today and my day for when you comment down below so I want when I'm done to start it. That today I'm gonna tell you a story when I'm a baby. Today when I'm still a born, always mommy take care of me and love me. When I'm still 4 months, always mommy song me when my eyes is open. And then my third day, so I'm so happy. And today, oh my dress, it's pretty. And when I'm growing and my dress is going to be tiny. Just like a baby, so I'm giving to mommy. I'm a little girl. When I'm just like I grow like a kid now, and I'm so loving my mom families every day. I do once I love my family to love me anyway. When I'm 4 years old, I really dance, practicing to then. When I'm 6, I do right dance. I always love my mom and my family. All my friends to want to have, I have. All the many times I love my family again. When I love someday, I want to play with mommy, but she can't play. But because she's still busy, I play outside with my friends. So happy I get friends. When I have no I'm always play by myself when my daddy give me a toys. And then when I'm 4, I have a unicorn toy. It's walking alone. And I'm doing to be her a milkshake. And then when it's gone, I have no more to play. Only have no more toys. And I have no only teddy bears. And I don't have teddy bear, but at least I have only teddy bear. Only give me some. When it's Christmas, my auntie gave me a Hello Kitty and some dog toy and a teddy bear. And my dad always work and stay here, stay there. And when it's Sabado, is always when it's going home for give me a toy and some snacks. She's giving me a food, candies, and anything, and chocolate, and I love everything mommy give me and daddy give me. Sometimes I always want to play with mommy and daddy, and I love with all my families to go with me too. I don't like somebody gone to end my life, but I always need my family stay with me and loving me and every day. And sometimes I always love my family to them. When I want to go to schooling, I always sad because I'm always loving, but mommy is still happy again. It's my story. It's mommy always cook me my favorites. Everything is good for my favorite foods. Sometimes I love my dinner time to play, and mommy cook me pancakes when it's night, when I'm not sleepy yet, when I'm only hungry tonight with sleeping times. Sometimes I always want to eat something to want. When I want to play with my brother, he always play and love me. But sometimes I'm always angry because I don't want everyone to touch me. And then when I want to touch me, I'm happy. And then my favorite is something die. So sometimes I love my family. The end. Bye bye guys.